Alright guys, we got ourselves a no cool, so let's go see what's going on. Let's go see if the inside's running. Inside is running. It is hot in here, 95 degrees, set to 78. Alright, I can hear that running. Alright, so let's go. Oh, check that condenser. Oh, wrong side. Ooh-wee, boy, it's toasty. I don't hear anything. Ain't nothing happening out here. Ooh-wee, bro. I'm about to go get my umbrella. Got ourselves a heat pump. Really? Thank you. Okay. Ah, interesting. What just happened? What? What just happened here? It's hot. Okay. Not quite. I have no idea what is going on. Oh man, it's hot. Did I say that already? I feel like I did. And it sucks, I just can't use my dang umbrella. Fucking determined to use this thing. cord not working or what, man? We're just using it for a straight cool. Anyways. That doesn't make any sense. So you're just gonna start all by yourself, huh? This is how this is happening? It's going down like this, huh? 240. Ground. 120. 120. 120. 120. Huh. I don't like these at all. I didn't fix anything, but I don't still know the problem. Yep, is that bullshit? So is it the contactor? Why is it losing connection? Yeah, it ain't doing nothing no more now. Figured that would have messed with it when I put my clamp around that. Oh, there we go. Okay. Back to bull crap. Huh. Turn that off. Everything looks normal there. It's not the best looking, but it looks normal. I don't know if I have any that size. Let's go look. Oh, okay. You gonna make me break out the drill, man? Okay. Okay, man. There we go, man. Of course, you know, gonna have to mark it. They don't believe in making room for you to work with stuff in there. You gotta remove everything, get it all that way. Then you can go in. Gonna be like that. Alright. That's fine. Oh, it's fine. Back on. Inside came out. No fuses were harmed in the process of this. Uh-oh. Alright. Slap this disconnect back in the right. Of course I dropped it. Seriously, it's not doing anything that it was doing. Huh. Alright, well, my pressure's a little high, but again, it's 90, still 92 degrees in there. But we are coming down, so I think when it's all said and done, we'll be in the 45 degree area, about 125 over 370, probably 360. They run pretty high out here because it's hot outside all the time. It's a brand new unit, so I think we should be good. I think the factory, when they were putting all this up together, just barely did anything. That board was just about to fall all the way out. I mean, the only thing I did was reconnect some things and make sure it was actually seated properly. So I just got to charge them a service fee. That's it. I didn't have to do anything special, which is nice for them. I don't mind. I get paid by the hour. So yeah, it's been running for 20 minutes now. I didn't change that out. Someone was telling me after I went and got this, it was not the contactor. Something nefarious was going on. So save me the hassle of doing that. I'll leave those out. I don't need those. Don't need that. Alright, well, I'm gonna call it a success, a win, and put this together and get out of here. It's my little rest area. Whew. So get away from the sun for a minute. Anyways, I appreciate y'all hanging out again like always. So pack up my stuff up and on to the next one. Y'all stay cool.